Today, I'm making my favorite mashed potato recipe of all time. It's fluffy and creamy with just the right amount of garlic. Now, I love me some potatoes, and I've tried many variations of mashed potatoes, but this one wins every single time. I'm using 3 pounds of russet potatoes. I love russet potatoes because they mash up super light and fluffy, and Yukon Gold have more of a buttery flavor and a creamy, dense consistency, which I love as well, but just not for my mashed potatoes. I gave my potatoes a light rinse, I'm patting them dry, and then I'm chopping them into thick chunks just because I don't want to chop them too small because they'll absorb the water and we'll have watery mashed potatoes, which we do not want. So chop your potatoes and set them aside. Make sure to add your chopped potatoes to cold water and bring them to a boil. I see many people add them to boiling water and this cooks them unevenly. You're gonna then take 3 garlic cloves, which I crushed lightly, add that to the water along with a generous amount of salt. Bring that to a boil for about 20 minutes or until your potatoes are nice and tender but not too soft. You're gonna strain them and set aside. Combine your milk, heavy cream, and butter and heat in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. You really want to make sure not to use cold milk because this will make your potatoes super pasty. Add in your cream a little at a time, mixing in between. I'm using a handheld potato masher, but you can definitely use a potato ricer or a handheld mixer. I just love my potatoes a little chunkier, so this is the route that I'm going. I then added about a teaspoon of salt and some black pepper and continued to combine until it was the consistency that I wanted it. And now for my secret ingredient, some creme fraîche to give a shout out to my French roots. This makes it super creamy and is so much better than sour cream. I love it, and it just really gave it that extra little je ne sais quoi. I topped it off with some fresh chives, a little more butter, and it was so delicious. As you can clearly see here, I'm really enjoying it. Well, there you go, friends. I hope you enjoy it. Bon appétit.